Hey everyone, welcome to my new YouTube video. Today I would like to tell you about Odoo. So I will tell you how this platform can be useful for you, how to sign up for Odoo and how to use it. And here you can already see what Odoo is. So Odoo is a suite of Belgian origin business management software tools that include customer relationship management, e-commerce, billing, accounting, manufacturing, warehouse, project management, and inventory management. So you can read more about this service on the Wikipedia page. Just click here. But now we're gonna go to their official website. Click here. So at the bottom right you can already see the support chat, where you can ask any questions about this about their service. But now let's close it and read information about this service on their website. So all your business on one platform, 20 euros per month for all apps. And just below you can see how the service can help you. So accounting, knowledge, sign, CRM, studio, subscriptions, purchase, inventory, sales, and so on. There is a really interesting button, Imagine without Odoo. Here you can view all apps if you want, website, sales, finance, inventory and manufacturing, marketing, and so on. Optimized for productivity. There are a lot of screenshots of how to use their website and even a video example. Experience true speed, reduced data entry, smart AI, and a fast UI. All operations are done in less than 90 milliseconds, faster than a blink. So you can watch a video about it, but now let's scroll down. All the tech in one platform, shop floor, expenses, point of sale, inventory, and so on. Enterprise software done right, open source, no vendor lock-in, fair pricing, highly customizable. The design looks pretty good. I think it's user-friendly. There is nothing hard to use it. 40k plus community apps and a unique value proposition. And as you can see, 12 million already use this application. And there is also a message from a CEO of KPMG Belgium. You can read it if you want. And now let's try to create an account in this service. To do it, just click on Start Now. It's free right here. Or you can click on Try it free at the top right corner of the screen. So let's click here. And now you need to choose your apps. So you can choose one or more things. For example, you can select website, e-learning, point of sale in sales, help desk, inventory. So you can select all apps that you need. And after that, click on continue. And there is also a message what we can get 15-day free trial. No credit card required. It's pretty good. Now let's click on continue, and now you need to fill in your information. And you can also create an account without using the trial version like I did it. To do it, you need to click on sign in at the top right and select I don't have an account or no account, and create a new one. And now I'm in my personal account, so it looks like this. There are sales orders, your invoices, timesheets, connection, and security. Here you can change your password, for example, or change a plan, and so on. And the last thing that I want to show you is pricing. You can find this button at the very top right here. Let's click on it. One app free, 0 euros for one app only, unlimited users, Odoo Online. You can start now. The next plan is standard, 12 euros per month, all apps, Odoo Online. And the last plan is custom, 18 euros per month, all apps, Odoo Online, Odoo Studio, multi-company, and external API. And these are, by the way, the prices if you pay for a year at a time. And here is the prices for a month. Well, I think this is all the information what I wanted to share with you. Hope it was helpful. Please subscribe and like this video. And if you have any questions about this service, you can easily write to support, or you can leave your questions in the comments right here, or read frequently asked questions here. any questions, and there are a lot of questions. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.